Check this out. If you ever had issues with overheating on your phone, on your cell phone, or other devices, this is a little miniature cooler. If you guys can see that, it's a water cooling system. Everything's built in here, and I'm gonna demonstrate it to you on how cool it gets. Now, if you want to ever refill it underneath the bottom, you can refill it. But out of the box, look at it, it's overheating and it's taking a long time to cool off. This is gonna help it out. So if you're a serious gamer and you want to play with your actual phone, older phones, even the newer phones, this is perfect for it. And you can hear it. You can hear it running. Right now it's circulating the water, so give it a couple minutes before. Look at the lighting itself, all right? And you're going to feel it on the coolness. All right, just to demo it for you guys, look how cold it is, all right? Look at this. And one side is a little warm on the other side because of the actual system pump, right? But look at this. You can see the difference. The coldness, I'm going to put the coldness here. Push it down if you guys can see it. I'm going to show you guys. I'm pushing it down. Look at that. Look at that. Look at my warm body. This is my body, all right? But look at how cold is actually leaving the the print on the actual hand. This is amazing. This is crazy. Look at this. I didn't think it was going to be that powerful, but you can see the difference on it, how strong it is. Let me go ahead and put it on my phone and cool it down because my phone does overheat a lot. And I have an older Android phone and I have a case for it, which is perfect. All right, right now, if you guys can see, I'm at 33.6 on the temperature, all right, Celsius, all right? Let's see how much we can lower it down with the actual system. So right now we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. I do have it is cold right now as it is. I have been running it for a while, and I'm gonna put it right underneath the phone. I do have a magnet charge, and we're gonna see if the temperatures actually drop. And I'm sorry about the lighting, but let me see if I could set this up. Right now we're at 36. We're gonna give it a couple minutes, and look at this. Not even a couple minutes. It's dropping to 32 right now. If you can see, we're gonna jam this. We're gonna put it to the highest right now. Water cool your devices like your phones or your maybe some sort of a Raspberry Pi or anything. And that's what we're gonna do next in our next episode. Probably we're gonna do another Raspberry Pi on the next one. But right now, 17.7. I just unbelievable. So and like you guys can see it here, it's calm down now because it stabilized itself. Once it does that, it gets to quiet mode. But right now, we just opened out of the box, ran it 70.7. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.